A great chef's knife is genuinely the single most important tool in any kitchen, the one you'll reach for every single day for chopping, slicing, and dicing. The right one makes cooking genuinely faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Whatever your style or budget, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily, we test the products that actually matter for your everyday life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content dropped every week and your kitchen will thank you for sticking around. The Victorinox Swiss Classic 8-inch is the genuine budget value champion, delivering genuinely impressive performance that punches far above its rock-bottom price. Victorinox, the Swiss Army knife maker, is renowned for delivering exceptional cutlery value. And this chef's knife is a genuine, long-time budget favorite of home cooks and professionals alike. The standout is the genuinely excellent performance per dollar, delivering a sharp, capable, lightweight blade that handles everyday chopping, slicing, and dicing genuinely well for a fraction of premium knife prices, a real value advantage. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during long prep, and the comfortable, ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a genuinely secure grip, even with wet hands. The quality stainless steel blade takes and holds a good edge, and the durable build handles genuine, everyday use. Victorinox's reputation for reliable value backs it. For budget-conscious cooks or anyone who wants a genuinely excellent, capable chef's knife at a rock-bottom price, the Victorinox Swiss Classic is the most value-forward, most bang-for-buck pick on this entire list. The Victorinox Swiss Classic delivers genuinely impressive performance at a rock-bottom price, and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Pro-loved performance, honest price. The Wüsthof Classic 8-inch is the genuine best all-round Western-style chef's knife, a legendary German blade that has earned its place in professional and home kitchens for decades. The standout is the genuine German craftsmanship with a full-tang, precision-forged single piece of high-carbon stainless steel that delivers a genuinely durable, perfectly balanced, robust knife built to last a lifetime, a real quality advantage. The slightly curved blade is genuinely ideal for the rocking motion Western cooks favor, handling everything from chopping herbs to breaking down vegetables and meat with genuine confidence. The comfortable, ergonomic handle provides a genuinely secure, fatigue-free grip during long prep sessions, and the substantial heft delivers genuine cutting power. The full bolster adds balance and protects your fingers, and the durable edge holds sharpness genuinely well. Wüsthof's legendary reputation backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best all-round Western-style chef's knife with legendary German quality and durability, the Wüsthof Classic is the most well-rounded, most trusted Western pick on this entire list. The Wüsthof Classic 8-inch delivers legendary German craftsmanship and all-round Western performance built to last a lifetime. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. A lifetime kitchen companion. The MAC MTH80 is the genuine best all-round Japanese-style chef's knife, a professional favorite renowned for its genuinely razor-sharp precision and nimble feel. The standout is the genuine Japanese craftsmanship with a harder, thinner, lighter blade that delivers an astonishingly sharp edge and genuinely precise, effortless cuts, ideal for delicate work and fast, clean slicing, a real advantage over heavier Western knives. The lighter, more agile feel reduces fatigue and gives you genuine, nimble control for precision tasks like fine dicing and slicing. The dimpled blade helps genuinely reduce food sticking as you cut, and the harder steel holds a razor edge genuinely well between sharpenings. The comfortable handle provides a secure, balanced grip, and the thin profile glides through food genuinely effortlessly. MAC's reputation as a professional favorite backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best all-round Japanese-style chef's knife with razor-sharp precision and a nimble, agile feel, the MAC MTH80 is the most precise, most Japanese refined pick on this entire list. The MAC MTH80 delivers razor-sharp Japanese precision and a nimble, agile feel loved by professionals, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Razor-sharp, effortlessly precise. The Amazon Basics Classic 8-inch is the genuine, ultra-accessible entry pick, delivering a capable, genuinely functional chef's knife at the most accessible price possible. For anyone who wants a genuine, working chef's knife without spending much at all, the Amazon Basics delivers real, everyday cutting capability at a genuinely budget-friendly price, ideal for first kitchens, students, and backup knives. The stainless steel blade delivers a sharp, capable edge that handles everyday chopping, slicing, and dicing genuinely well for the price. And the classic 8-inch shape is genuinely versatile for most kitchen tasks. The comfortable handle provides a secure, functional grip, and the lightweight design keeps it genuinely easy to handle. The durable build handles regular everyday use, and the genuinely accessible price makes it an easy, low-risk pick. Amazon Basics focus on delivering functional essentials at low prices backs it. For first kitchens, students, budget buyers, or anyone who wants a genuinely capable working chef's knife at the most accessible price, the Amazon Basics Classic is the most accessible, most entry-friendly pick on this entire list. The Amazon Basics Classic delivers a capable working chef's knife at the most accessible price. and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. A real chef's knife, minimal cost. Closing out the list with the Miyabi Birchwood SG 8-inch, the genuine luxury splurge pick. A breathtakingly beautiful, ultra-premium knife for those who want the absolute best. The standout is the genuine premium SG 2 microcarbide powder steel, which takes and holds an astonishingly sharp, refined edge, genuinely far longer than standard steel, delivering the ultimate in cutting precision and edge retention, a real advantage for serious cooks. The genuinely stunning craftsmanship features a gorgeous hand-honed blade with beautiful Damascus-style layering, and a genuinely exquisite birchwood handle, making it a true work of art as much as a tool. The perfectly balanced, razor-sharp blade glides through food with genuinely effortless precision, and the premium construction feels genuinely luxurious in hand. The exceptional edge retention means genuinely less frequent sharpening. Miyabi's reputation for the finest Japanese knives backs it. For serious cooks and knife enthusiasts who want the genuine, absolute best, most beautiful, ultra-premium chef's knife as a splurge, the Miyabi Birchwood SG2 is the most luxurious, most premium splurge pick on this entire list. The Miyabi Birchwood SG2 is a breathtaking, ultra-premium knife with exceptional edge retention and stunning craftsmanship, and the price in the description reflects that luxury. Check the link below and grab it today. The ultimate splurge knife. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right chef's knife for your kitchen, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right chef's knife, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.